everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We can do so many dishes with bread, and today I'm going to share another wonderful recipe. This is bread chili. This is super easy to make with very limited ingredients. So let's get started and check it out. For the chili bread, I've taken 5 slices of fresh bread here. So you can either use this white sandwich bread or you can use brown bread. So the bread is your choice. Just cut off the edges. Cut the bread into small pieces. So make sure all the pieces are nice equal size. So this is a good size. So we're going to toast the bread pieces. To a pan, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Just drop all the bread pieces to the pan. Keeping the flame on a medium high, toast the bread pieces till they're a nice golden brown color. You can see the pieces are toasted to a lovely golden brown color. You can turn off the stove at this point and keep the bread pieces aside. For the chili paste, blanch about 10 to 15 red chilies. Once they're completely cooked, remove them from the stove, cool them completely, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. So your chili paste is ready. Take a nice wide pan. Once the pan is heated up, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Add about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Next add 2 green chilies chopped. Next add 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Next add a large piece of capsicum that's been finely chopped. Saute the onions and capsicum for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Now you can adjust the salt and the seasoning according to your taste. Keep the flame on low. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons soy sauce. So next add about 1 tablespoon of freshly ground chili paste. Next add about 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So mix it all in. Bring the flame to a medium. So you can see this mixture is getting ready with all the sauces. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of spring onion whites that have been finely chopped. Let's mix that in. It's going to give you a nice fresh crunch. Next add about 1/2 cup of water. Mix it in. So I'm going to make some corn flour slurry. For this I've taken 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour. Add a little water, 1/4 cup, and just mix everything in. Make sure the corn flour is completely dissolved. Now add the corn flour slurry. The corn flour slurry is going to thicken this mixture a bit. Add the bread pieces and mix it all in. Just make sure the mixture coats the bread pieces nicely. Looking beautiful, you can see. So this chili bread looks absolutely delicious. It's a very nice starter recipe that you can make and serve immediately. Everybody will enjoy. Just add a few spring onion greens. Just adding a few chopped coriander leaves. So your chili bread is done. Just give it a quick toss and serve it immediately. It looks so tasty and so yummy. So there you go, here is this simple, spicy and tasty bread chili. So if you're craving for something quick and dry and something like a starter, this is a perfect dish to try. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.